wacha niseme yangu kidogo, sababu nikiondoka hapa bila kusema kitu itakuwa ni makosa. CS Alex Wahome, I want to commend you and your team for the way you are steering the water sector. This ministry is extremely important in our country, given the negative effects of the climate change. The very existence of our nation is not guaranteed. Interventions to combat the effects of climate change are no longer a choice. It's a necessity and a must. That is why the Ruto administration has made it a priority to come up with interventions on how to move away from rain-fed agriculture to irrigation. This administration has made deliberate plans to reach out to investors on the public-private partnership model to harness resources from everywhere in the world to come here and sink boreholes, build water ponds, build small dams and build mega dams for the purposes of making water available to every Kenyan, clean and safe water. At the same time, we want to partner with our friends and investors to open up northern Kenya, those vast lands, by building dams to have irrigation, to produce enough food and achieve our food security and make sure that we don't have again to go around with a begging bowl to our friends, especially those who colonized us, begging for food. It's very, very demeaning for us in this country. Our African traditions take very low opinion of begging. But because of the negative effects of climate change, President William Ruto assigned me the duty to harness resources to buy food and save livelihoods. And I became beggar number one. It was a very humiliating